Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download Geforce experience on GT 710, GT 730, GT 1030. I'll show you guys how to do it. In my case, I have GT 710. Just close off the device manager, and my Geforce version is 3.20.5.70. You just need to check my video description for this download link. The same version. Select the free download option and it will start downloading in a few seconds. And it started downloading, guys. After getting download done, you just need to install this GeForce experience. After the installation done, you just need to open it. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. Now you just need to update your graphics card driver, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.